Hi and welcome to the Unquendor Guitars workshop. My name is Daniel and as you can see I just received a whole bunch of wood to build some guitars, so I thought why not do some kind of an unboxing video and share with you what I've got. If you're curious about what's inside this mystery package, be sure to watch the entire video. I'll be unboxing it at the end of this video. Let's start by taking a look at the guitar body blanks I bought. Anyone familiar with my channel might know I just love to use black Limba on my guitars. Both the Nessa models and the Sonia models are usually made out of black Limba, and especially this piece I really love. It's ultra light and it's flamed black Limba, something I haven't seen before, and I can't wait to turn this into a lovely Sonia guitar that has the black Limba also visible on the top. And yeah, black Limba is just a amazing wood. It's very easy to work with, easy to plane, easy to route, easy to sand, shape, and you name it, and it sounds amazing. And it's not that heavy, so you can get a nice light guitar from black Limba. Yeah, and I just love this wood type. I've also bought an alder guitar body blank. Just a plain alder body blank for a special project I have planned that might see the light in a couple of months from now. So yeah, keep following this channel if you want to know what I've planned for the alder guitar body. I was lucky enough to get my hands on some amazing quilted big leaf maple tops, and yeah, I went a bit overboard and I grabbed everything I could get and I could use, and they're just stellar tops, mostly quilted big leaf maple. And for the alder body, for the special project, I also have a regular flamed big leaf maple top, and I can't wait to start working on this project. But yeah, like I said, it has to wait. There are some other builds that I have to do first. So if you don't want to miss out on any of my content, you know what to do. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload something new, and you don't have to miss out on any of my guitar builds or tutorial videos. So let's move on to some fretboards. As with the guitar tops, I went a bit overboard when buying fretboards, but I think it's important to have at least one or two backup fretboards when you're building the guitar. You don't want to have to order or go fetch new fretboards when you mess one up. It happened to me when cutting fret slots. I miscalculated the amount of fret slots and I ruined a fretboard, and I had to drive for 2 hours to get a new fretboard from the supplier. So I always recommend having at least one or two backups fretboard blanks. And so that's why these days I buy a whole bunch of fretboards in one go. So I have some backup, and of course I can match the fretboards as closely as I can to the guitar body and the guitar top. So I have some choice. This time I bought some flamed ebony fretboards. Some, of course, regular Indian rosewood fretboards in different shades. Rosewood comes in different shades, from almost a dark purple to a light brown, but it's all Indian rosewood, so no hassle with size restrictions and such when selling the guitar. A beautiful piece of wild ebony or moonshine ebony. I don't know the correct English term, but we call it wild ebony. It had some Dutch, some lovely striping. It's a beautiful piece. Regular ebony, of course, and a beautiful piece of bok oak. And yeah, of course I do some close-ups, and it's almost black with black stripes and black figuring, and I can't wait to turn this into a fretboard. And I think this might go onto the special project as well. Yeah, now it's time to unbox the mystery package, and yeah, I think you can guess what's inside. This mystery package should indeed contain my neck blanks, and I have my neck blanks custom made for me, and yeah, I'm very curious how they turned out. Wow, take a look at these neck blanks. They're amazing. Nice flamed maple with 2 black Limba and ebony stripes in the center. So it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 piece laminate. And like I said, these neck blanks are custom made for me by my wood supplier to my specifications. And yeah, I'm really pleased that he provides that service for me. I used to make these neck blanks myself by hand, but it took just too much time to cut everything and plane everything by hand and then glue them together, and that would make my guitars even more expensive if I had to do this by hand. And I think there's no shame if you can have some supplier do some of the work for you. Yeah, use it, and it saves you a whole lot of time. And these neck blanks are just perfect, nice and straight, consistent thickness of the 3 stripes in the center. And yeah, I'm really pleased with the end result. There should be one special neck blank also. Yeah, here it is. A special neck blank for the special projects is just flayed maple with 2 very thin ebony stripes down the center. And yeah, this one is also going to be the neck for the special project. And for anyone wondering what supplier I'm using and who's providing me with these beautiful neck blanks and that amazing wood to build my guitars, it's Massave Fijnhouthandel, a Dutch wood supplier here in the Netherlands. And yeah, unfortunately for most of my viewers, especially all the non-European viewers of my channel, Massave only supplies to the Netherlands and parts of Belgium and Germany. Yeah, I'll put a link to the website down below for anyone interested, but keep in mind it's a Dutch supplier. The website is all in Dutch and it doesn't have a web shop where you can order the wood directly. I know he is thinking about setting up more international services, but yeah, we all know in the times we're living in at the moment that's near impossible to do. But yeah, you're free and welcome to check him out. The link will be in the video description down below. So before I can turn this nice pile of wood into a couple of great guitars, I always like to store it for a couple of weeks just to make sure it doesn't move anymore and it's nicely acclimatized. Is that a word? Let me know in the comment section down below. But I think you know what I mean. I store it just for a couple of weeks and then it's ready to go to turn into a couple of nice guitars. So keep an eye out for those videos in the near future. I'm not sure what I'm going to do in next week's video, but I'm sure I will figure something out. But yeah, like always, I hope to see you all there. But until then, have a nice week.